A very good morning to all my dear children. Today is Wednesday, the third day of the week, and today we will study English, children. In today's class, we will learn to read and recognize capital and small letters A to Z. We will revise their phonic songs also and sounds also. Children, today I am going to introduce you song of letter V. And in written, children, today we will write capital V in the notebook. And in rhymes, we are going to practice rhymes in CBC Spider and Little Jack Horner with action. So children, let's start our today's learning. Children, now let's learn and recognize capital letters A to Z with pictures. So let's start, children. You also speak with me. Now look here, children. This is capital A. A for apple. A for apple. Now comes B. B for ball. This is B. B for ball. Now comes C. C for cat. Meow. C for cat. The next letter is D. Look here, children. This is capital D and D for dog. This is dog. Now comes E, children. Look here. This is E. E for elephant. Now the next letter is capital F. F for fish. F for fish. Children, this is G. G for goat. Now comes H. H for hen. Children, the next letter is I. I for ice cream. We all love to eat ice cream in summers. Now comes J. J for jug. Children, after J, this is K. K for kite. Next letter is L. This is L. L for lion. Now comes M. M for mango. Summer is the season of mango. M for mango. Now comes N. N for nest. The bird lives in a nest. Children, this is O. O for orange. Now comes P. P for parrot. Children, the next letter is Q. Q for queen. Now comes R. R for rabbit. This is S. S for ship. Now comes T. This is capital T. T for tiger. The tiger. This is a tiger. Children, this is capital T. T for tiger. Now comes U. U for umbrella. The next letter is V. V for van. Now comes W. W for watch. Children, this is X. X for Xmas tree. Children, this is capital Y. Y for yak. And now comes the last letter. This is Z. Z for zebra. Children, in this way, you have to learn to read and recognize capital letters A to Z with the help of picture. Children, have a look. This is small a. Look here. Small a. This is small b. Small c. This is small d. Small e. Small f. Small g. Small h. Small I. Small j. After j comes k. This is small k. Small l. Small m. Small n. This is small o. Small p. Small q. Small r. This is small s. Now comes small t. Small u. Small v. Small w. Small x. Small y and small z. Children, now let's revise phonic songs and sounds of the letters A to Z. Let's start. Children, this is capital A and this is small a. A says a. As Now comes B. This is capital B and this is small b. B says ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play ball. Now comes C. This is capital C and this is small c. C says k. We are taking castanets, k. So C says k. Capital D, small g. D says duh. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is a lots of fun with a da. D says duh. Capital E, small e. E says egg. Eggs in the pan. Cracks the eggs like this. E says egg. Now comes F. Capital F, small f. F says my friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and air came out. So F says, this is capital G and this is small g. G says gurg. The water gurgles down the drain. Gurg. G says gurg. H. This is capital H and this is small h. It says hop. I like to hop up and down. I like to hop all around. So children, the sound of H is H. This is capital I and this is small I. I says E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is all over the desk. Inky is wet. So I says E. Capital J, small j. J says j. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. Children, this is capital K and this is small k. K says k and this is kicking k. Kites are flying in the sky. K. So K says k. Capital L, small l. L says L. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. L says L. Children, capital M, small m. So M says The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Children, this is capital N and this is small n. N says Hear the aeroplane making lots of noise. N says Children, now comes O. This is capital O. This is small o. Now it's dark, the light goes on. It's time for bed, the light goes off. So O says O. Children, this is capital P. This is small p. P says P. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. P. Children, this is capital Q. Small q. Q says quack. The ducks in the pond says quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Q says quack. Children, this is capital R, small r. R says rrr. See my puppy rip the rag. Rrr, rrr. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. Capital S, small s. S says the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Children, now comes T. This is capital T and this is small t. T says T. And its song is When I watch the tennis game. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Children, now comes U. This is capital U and this is small u. U says up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it rains so hard. Now comes V. This is capital V and this is small v. V says V. And the song of V is Drive Vic's van round the village. Whoa. Children, this is capital W, small w. W says V. Now comes X. This is capital X and this is small x. The sound of X is X only. Children, this is capital Y, small y. Y says year. Now comes the last letter, capital Z, small z. Z says Z. In this way, children, you have to learn songs and sounds of the letters A to Z. Children, today I will teach you to write capital V. Look here, children. This is capital V and V for vase. Look here. The thing which is holding the flowers is known as vase. Children, there are many other things which start with the letter V. Let's have a look. Look here, children. This is capital V and this is small v. V for vulture. Look here, this bird. Its name is vulture. V for van. V for vegetables. V for vase. V for violin. Again, V for vulture, V for van, V for vegetables, V for vase and V for violin. So these are the things which start with the letter V. Children, now I will teach you the song of letter V. The sound of V is V and the song is Dry wicks went round the village, dry wicks went round the village, dry wicks went round the village, whoa, 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 whoa. So children, this was the song of letter V. Now let's write. Children, let's have a look. This is today's date. Today is 4th August 2021. Now children, put your pencil on the red line. Look here, like this. And then from here, you have to make a slanting line till the second blue line. See, like this. One slanting line like this. Then you have to go up like this. Again, you have to make one more slanting line and touch the red line. Children, again I am writing. Now look here. From this red line, you have to make a slanting line till the second blue line. Like this. Then again, you have to make a slanting line and you have to go up and touch the red line. In this way, you have to make capital V. Like this. One slanting line and another slanting line. See? And this point should be, and this part should be pointed like this. Okay? In this way, you have to write capital V. You have to start from the red line, come till the second blue line, then go up and touch the red line. In this way, you have to write, children, capital V. Now, I will show you how you will write in your notebook. Now children, let's write capital V in the English notebook. First we will write today's date. Today is 4th August 2021, like this. Now children, put your pencil on the red line here and then you have to make a slanting line till the second blue line and then you have to make another slanting line and go upwards and touch the red line like this. In this way you have to write capital V. See, like this. One slanting line and then another slanting line. So in one go, you have to write capital V. Don't remove your hand in between, okay? Like this. Children, now see, I am writing in the last line and in this way you have to write capital V. Start from the red line, make a slanting line till the second blue line, then again go up, make another slanting line and touch the red line. Like this. See, this is done. In this way you have to write one page of capital V in your English notebook. So write it, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time to practice our rhymes Incy Wincy Spider and Little Jack Horner. First we will revise Incy Wincy Spider. So let's start. Good morning. The title of my poem is Incy Wincy Spider. Incy Wincy Spider climbed the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed the spout again. Thank you. Children, in this way, you have to recite the rhyme with action. Now our second rhyme is Little Jack Horner. Good morning. The title of my poem is Little Jack Horner. Little Jack Horner sat in the corner eating his Christmas pie. He put in his thumb and pulled out a plum and said, "What a good boy am I." In this way, children, you have to recite these two rhymes. So recite it, make your video on it and send it to me. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.